This is my computer. It's simple, clean, and organized. You don't have to set up yours exactly as I did, but what I will do is show you how I set up mine. Take what you like, ignore what you don't like, but let's get into it. So, this is how my computer used to look like. And the first thing that we're going to do is to clean up the mess. Hide the icons, drop the search, turn off the unnecessary shortcuts, make it as clean as possible, because less is better. Alright, it's all clean and empty now, but we have to fill it with apps. I like to do it in an organized way. I use a package manager that allows me to search, install, uninstall, and update apps within a few clicks. Doesn't matter if it's just one app, doesn't matter if it's dozens of them. I want to make the process as quick, easy, clean, and organized as possible. After I install all of my apps, I do not use desktop icons. I use this program instead to do almost everything that I need. Opening apps, folders, settings, files, and many others. Speaking of files, I use a more organized file manager. It has this column view, double pane, customized shortcuts, amongst many of its features. The folders themselves are clean because I organize them in a way that lets me instantly know exactly where to put a new file in. Anything that I put in this computer would never be lost. In the case where my laptop went kaput, or it, God forbid, goes up in flame, I would be able to recover most of my files, especially my important files, because there's a folder that is instantly synced to my phone locally, and if that's not enough, there are also multiple cloud integrations as well, and there's this special folder that would automatically sync to every possible devices and every possible cloud service that I have. Everything is secure, yet highly accessible. Now that the basic functions are done, let's talk aesthetics, starting with the wallpaper. Windows 11 default wallpaper is nice, but I like to set a dynamic wallpaper that shows different color schemes, depending on the time of the day. Now the wallpaper will follow the local sun cycle, because it feels good for my human brain to have my computer mimic the circadian rhythm somewhat. But technically, the amount of blue light exposure is still static throughout the day, and that's not good because it will mess up my sleep. So, I implemented a configuration that will automatically adjust the amount of blue light exposure during the day. That includes switching between dark mode and light mode at the right time, and it follows my preferred sleep-wake cycle. I know it sounds like this hocus-pocus mumbo-jumbo thing, but trust me, it has a scientific basis on it. I did a little bit of research on it, I even wrote an article about it, so try it out, trust me. It works for me, might work for you as well. Now, we have this empty real estate here. The first thing I'll put is my integrated to-do list. I'll have it on the corner of my screen. To add a task, I can simply add it using the same tool I use to open apps. I can also access the app easily, both on my computer and my phone. It will be automatically integrated into my sync calendar as well. Now, on the top left corner, I have a cycling quote app that is connected with more than 10,000 varieties of quotes from my preferred authors. And those are just some of the basics. I could also make my $5 microphone and $20 speaker to sound decent. I could also make my $5 microphone and $20 speaker to sound decent. Mirror my computer sound, convert files with just the right click, having an organized bookmark, eliminate distraction from my browser, real-time translation, typing with voice, see devices connected to my Wi-Fi, connect and control my phone from my desktop in real time, turn my phone into a minimalist device, use my phone as a microphone, transmit my phone audio, doing some coding related stuff. The possibilities are endless. So, check out my channel and consider subscribing if you like the things that I talk about. Because I will talk about the stuff that I mentioned in more than 20 episodes coming up ahead. So, stay tuned. And yes, this is a channel trailer.